Hey everyone, I'm back. I thought I would pop in for a couple minutes and talk a little bit about destiny. Going down the list here, this is for Sandra Thompson. So she had shared a photo of destiny and my little list there of animals who've crossed over. And what I'm picking up and is that destiny is one laid back dog. And I mean laid back, very calm. So I see her laying next to you, flopping down. I was picking up laying on tile floor and looking outside. So don't know, it could be a summertime thing, you know. Let's lay on the tile floor because it's nice and cool on our belly. Going outside in the grass and laying down. I mean, this dog loved to lay down. Still loves to lay down, but she just has a super calm energy. Very calm, very laid back, and filling your home with calm, peaceful energy. So what I'm asking you to do then is to close your eyes and tap into Destiny's calm energy to help you relax, de-stress, bring it all down a notch. You know, if you're, don't know if you've been having a lot of stress, but it's like asking you to, hi Phyllis, welcome. And so just asking you to like tap into Destiny's very, very laid back, calm energy, and so that you can bring it down several notches from whatever stress you're going through and really feel into that, you know. So that's what she's here for, is to spread that laid back energy because she's very laid back, isn't she? Anyway, that's what I'm picking up on. Would love to get your feedback on Destiny and her just loving, laid back, calming energy is what I feel. She's laying around everywhere, on the bed, in the living room, wherever, outside. So she's just laying around. So feel into that and enjoy that calming, peaceful energy and allow her to help you de-stress. So let me know how that resonates, Sandra, and love to hear from you. And I do longer sessions, of course, with people. There's a group special, so getting deeper into things and, of course, helping you through coaching and stuff in your life and putting it all together. So if that's something you need, let me know, and I'll be popping back in again soon. Talk to you later. Bye for now, everybody.